Welcome to Free Genuine Airdrop. This is Alpha Joseph, your anchor man. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play the Yescoin airdrop. But first of all, you need to understand that there are some different or varieties of Yescoin on the internet. And how do you know which one is the right one? Alright, before we move ahead with this video, if you have not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be receiving my updates whenever new videos are published. Having done that, let's go to the business of the day. Okay, first of all, in your telegram page, this is what you're going to see. Yes coin. Look at this color and the design. There are also other ones that are whitish or whatever design, but just be familiar with this. Now let's open it. Click on back to Yescoin. It is loading. Then after it has loaded, just try and be familiar with what you are also seeing on the loading page. Those two men that are standing, okay? All right, let's move ahead. Okay, clicked on it. Yes, these two guys, be familiar with them. That is one of the things you're also going to see that is not in the other yes coin. All right, we have arrived here. Look at this place. Open it. Okay. I'm not playing this particular one first. I don't know why it is loading. Okay, so open it. Having opened there, go ahead to click on Us code. Okay. Us code. Now let me show you a few things here that makes you actually understand that this is a very big project. Look at the team. Yescoin. Telegram news. Then you also see Toncoin. No, sorry, Tonkeeper. OKS. Binance. Ton Community. Durov channel. Durov is the founder of Telegram. Toncoin is the biggest Telegram stuff at the moment. You can now see the biggest crypto exchange here also, which is Binance and OKS and all that. Now tell me, if you do not trust this project, you are seeing the founder of Telegram here, you are seeing Ton Community, you are seeing Binance, you are seeing OKS. Do you think this is a coincidence? Of course it is not. So if you have not been playing this particular ES coin, just know that you are playing the wrong one. So this is the right one you should play. So having known that, let's go back to how to play it. All right. Now this is where the coin is loading now. Can you see this? You don't start to click on this one after the other. What you just need is to try and put your finger over these coins and wipe them. Just be wiping them and they will just go off. Okay. So but this thing you see running around is your bot which you are subscribed to, so that while you are here to just help to collect some coins, but you can still do that manually. Okay. Now this small box you are seeing here, let's click it and see how we're going to remove it very sharp. and fast. Can you see? I'm just wiping it from side to side with my finger placed over it. I'm wiping it from side to side. I'm not clicking on one coin at a time, because if you do that, you won't be able to finish anything and you won't get anything from there. Okay. So that is how you are going to collect your coins without wasting so much time. So if you click on this build, you're also going to see a few things. You see this one that says full recovery. Click it and go back to where you are playing your coin. So you see now it is 2/3. The first time it was 3/3. So go back and begin to click. It will load. Can you see a lot of the coins are loaded now? You just keep wiping from side to side. Okay. Instead of clicking, because you can't click one at a time. The coins are too many. If you begin to click one at a time, you won't be able to get much. But if you put your hand and start wiping them, you see that you can get a lot of the coins. Now it's the same thing here. Just keep wiping, and all the coins will be out. Imagine this clump being loaded at the time that you want to use your hand to be typing each of the coin. You won't get anything. All right, that is it. Then we'll go back again to that build, open it, and look at this other one, which is more like a boost also. This chest, just click it and go back to your normal place. You can still see the coin loading again. Okay. So let's look at it whether okay. The chest box are loaded now. You just wipe it again the normal way. And all the coins, just ensure that if you can't wipe all with one finger, just put the two fingers on the screen, one above the other. And if one is cleaning, the second one below will be cleaning the rest that escaped the first finger. Okay, sorry, you can see that that one didn't load. It didn't load. That is why we didn't quickly see that box. This particular one, let's click it and be sure it's loading. Okay, you can see now it is 2/3. Let's go back. Can you see the box appeared immediately? That first one didn't load it. Okay, so you just wipe them from side to side and they are gone. So that is it. This other one, this skin stuff, I will do another video on that. So expect another video on this. So that is it on how to play your Yescoin. See you once again in our next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, just hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends. And if you are not on our WhatsApp group, you will also see our WhatsApp link on the description pay area, and use that link to join us so that we will be receiving other tips and information that are not in our daily videos. Thank you and see you again.